let's get right into it. First thing we do is preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then we want to get ourselves a square tin. Put a little bit of butter in first, then put your paper in, line up with your paper, and it's in there perfect for you. Alright, now, which way am I going to do this? Okay, well first of all, alright, it's nutty, so we got to have nuts. So we need 2/3 of a cup of nuts chopped up. Now today I'm using walnuts because I love walnuts and I've got them. But this recipe you can use any nut you want, all your favourite nuts. Most of the time you kind of want, if you're going to use like almonds, you want roasted almonds, dry roasted almonds. You don't want salted anything, alright? Now if you've got kids and you really want to make them but you don't want to chuck the nuts in, swap the nuts for chopped chips. That'll work. Okay, so today I'm picking walnuts, macadamias, pecans, oh you name it, anything you want. So we want 2/3 of a cup, alright, and you want to just chop them up. I'll chop some really little and then I'll leave some a little bit chunky. So put that aside for a minute. Okay, so you want to get a decent sized bowl and you want to sift 1 cup of plain flour into it. Once you've done that, put your chopped nuts in it, give it a good mix up, and then we're going to sit that aside for a minute. Now, you want everything just ready to go for this one. So you want to get 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and you want it firmly packed, which means that when you put it in, keep pushing it down until you've got it firmly packed in there, okay? So get 1/2 cup brown sugar and have that sitting there ready to go. Get yourself 2 eggs in a little bowl and whisk them up with a fork and have that ready to go. And have some honey sitting there ready to go. I think that's that. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we're going to get a medium saucepan and we want to put 180 grams of chocolate in there. Now I've only got chopped chips at the moment, so I'm just chucking in there. Normally I would do dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate. 180 grams of dark chocolate. Now you can do milk chocolate or you can do half and half. You can do 90 grams of dark and 90 grams of milk, which is really yummy too. Either way, chuck 180 grams of chocolate in there. 125 grams of butter chopped up. Now we want to put it on our lowest heat possible and melt it all down. Chocolate is melted, as you can see, yep. Alright, so next thing we want to do is chuck the sugar, the brown sugar into it and mix it all through the chocolate. And now we want to put in 2 tablespoons of honey. And mix it in really well. Get your flour mix, pour it straight in there. Make sure you get it all in there. Do it pretty quick too. Two eggs. Oh baby. And mix it up really well. Now we've mixed it up really well. Straight into our tin. Alright, now it's ready to go in the oven. Now I can't remember if it was 25 or 28 minutes or something, I think it was. So I don't normally time things, like usually I smell them, feel them, ready, done. So I'll let you know in a minute exactly how long they took to cook. Oh my god mate, it's smelling good in here. I love these. 28 minutes exactly. Alright, so get yourself a what do you call it, cooling rack thing. Grab it, pull it out quickly on top. And we leave it sit there for a little while. Oh mate, check these little babies out. Oh, wait, out of all the brownies that I make, these fudge ones are the best. They are so good. Please, please give it a go. You'll never look back. Wait, thanks heaps for watching. Oh, they're awesome hot, they're awesome warm, and they're awesome cold. And also too, if you want to do something a bit fancy, say you got a dinner, well not say dinner party these days, but put one hot in a bowl with some ice cream and they are over the top like that way as well. Well, thanks heaps for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day. I'll be back really soon. Bye.